done washing your hair, Adam?
Mm-mm.
You put more water on your head?
Mm-mm.
Houdini, what are you doing there? Adam, no. Can I see you wash your hair again? You gonna spit out that water? How did you get the water on your head? Oh, just like that. I see. Very good. What about with the cup? Did that work better? Yeah. What did you do? You just poured it on top? You're spitting out your water. Okay. There it goes. Whoa! You got a little soap in your eyes there? I hope not. Ooh. How you doing there, Adam? Are you all done with the tubby?
Yeah.
You want to come out?